From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. Here is a list of 2023 Atlantic hurricane names. So far, we've gone through 4 of those names. Don was the last named system, and it was briefly a hurricane. But officially, we've had 5 storms, one of which was unnamed very early in the year. As far as our averages are concerned, our average for today, at least at this point in hurricane season, would be 4 named storms and 1 hurricane, and that's what we've gotten so far. Keep in mind, we have had that 1 unnamed storm. NOAA did update their official forecast last week. They're predicting anywhere from 14 to 21 named storms, 6 to 11 hurricanes, and 2 to 5 major hurricanes. As we continue to move through the rest of August and into September, we're heading towards the peak of hurricane season, so we would expect the development to increase, and that has been the case over the last couple of days. We're watching the development for at least 3 areas in the tropics. Water temperatures are very warm, a lot warmer than what they typically are. So you got some very warm water here. The good news is we do have some dust in the atmosphere, some Saharan dust kind of coming off the Saharan desert, and that should help hold back development. But there are 3 areas the National Hurricane Center is currently watching. See them right here, a couple coming off the African coast. They give this a 40% chance of development, so a moderate risk here, and then this one here about a 50% chance of further development over the next 7 days. Now a little bit closer to home, watching this area in the Gulf of Mexico. As of right now, just a low chance of further development over the next 7 days. But again, this is a little bit closer to home, so this is going to be an area we'll have to watch over the next several days. Now, back in 1994, August 16th, 1994, Tropical Storm Beryl made its way into the southeast. Now, for us, you may not quite remember it from the tropical standpoint, but back in 1994, August 16th, we had an outbreak of 23 tornadoes. This was linked to Tropical Storm Beryl, and a strong tornado hit downtown Lexington. So 1994, we were being impacted by Tropical Storm Beryl that did produce 23 tornadoes. But we'll continue to track hurricane season. Here are the 4 named storms so far. Hopefully we won't get too deep into this list.